welcome to Crown Ricardo. Thank you for joining the quest to find a biscuit. Today we are going to search this 2010 Crown Victoria police interceptor. I'm going to see what kind of goodies I can squeeze out of this thing. Before I get started, I'm going to wake the funny man up. Wake up, it's past noon. Time to get to work. Come on, come out. Maybe this will wake him up. I'll be back. All right, so I gotta set up a perimeter here to keep anybody from coming near me while I'm searching. Since the funny man's not waking up and doing his job, I'm gonna have to fire him. All right, let's get started. All right, so this car starts. See if my mechanic comes around, I'm gonna have him start it for us. But it is for parts because of this. This is unrepairable. I mean, if you know anybody that could fix this thing, wow. Yeah. All right, got my gloves on. Right off the top here, we have Satina push bar brackets with this little cap here. It's pretty cool. You don't really see these often. So we're gonna have these removed. This thing is garbage. We have the grill. My last video, I promised somebody this. So the winner is this guy right here. This engine starts, believe it or not. Okay, so I just spent the last hour removing this from one of the parts cars. I hope I didn't cut something I wasn't supposed to. First I thought this was just an armrest, but look, we need to get this open. Lucky me, the key. Okay, here it is. Ooh, big reveal, big reveal. Here, expired in 2012. Damn. A spork. Check it out. It's a spork and a knife. Tactical eating utensil. This car has really low miles. I believe it's like 73,000 miles because it was still in service and it got in an accident. That's the only reason they had to get it out of service. What's this? Oh, sick. Mini stop sticks. Pirahna stop stick. Contains sharp spikes. Handle with care. Deploy this side down. Okay. Like this. It's been raining like crazy over here, so everything's pretty much wet. Okay, there we go. Hold on, I'm getting away from there. Woo! Some type of cover. Come on, biscuit. I need to find a biscuit or at least a donut. Layard Technologies. Ooh. Somebody ended up stealing all my antennas off my car, so I'm just gonna turn it into a street appearance package. That way I don't have to deal with thieves. 6 spotlights. Probably need to be refurbished. Don't know if they work because there's no power to the car. My stupid GoPro just died, but that's okay. I'm gonna iPhone it. Gonna be a nice fluffy biscuit in here. I could use those with my breathalyzer. Does this do any good? All right, looks like we have some amber dual lights. Need to remove those. Comes with the switch. Okay. Just had to show that off real quick. Available in the link below. Support this channel. 2016 Emergency Response Guidebook. Moldy, let's see what's in here. Custom signal reference manual. Radar certificate. What is that? What is that? Back to the trunk. Looks like there's the hideaway light by Wheelan. Another hideaway light, a dynamite. Boom! Yes! Code 3 lights. Some door rods so you can open the back doors in a lighter. All right, over here we have the triple salt and pepper shakers. I have some stuff here. You might need it, because I sure don't. Wheeling Competition Series Model CS 240. Cold 3 Stingray serial interface module. If something you need, let me know. Leave me a comment. I'll try my best to get back to you. Here, this, I was trying to use it for my mace gun. It doesn't fit. I need a new shop. This is no working environment. There's no electricity here. There's no water. This sucks. If you guys want a full tour of this temporary Crown Wreck Auto shop, let me know. Cool cop here, and then it shoots the air conditioning to the back over here. Mic holder. We will never forget. Rest in peace, Officer Kevin Ton. Target practice. You see where they were aiming? Okay, I just pulled off all this target practice boards. I gotta say, their aim is pretty freaking good. Not bad. ATF, law enforcement targets. Don't want to be that criminal. All right, spit net. Should I put it on? Scratch pad. I was thinking, should I dissect this thing? Open it and see what's in it? So tell me guys, which one do you prefer? The Gold Rhino or the Satina? Alright Crownies, hashtag Team Crown Wreck Auto for a heart, and I will see you in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm actually going to search a police wagon, so I'm very excited about that. See you guys in the comment section. Peace. Junkyard board, Danny from Vallejo, 707. Diddy Kong. Diddy Quarter. What you got there?
A little funny man.
That's right. Funny Man Jr.?
Yep. He's wearing a jacket because he's got a cold right now. It's about 100 degrees out here. He's got a cold.
That's sick, man. Got the light bar on there now.
Get a rig.
Hey, that looks sick though. Look at all these cars. My personal car.